Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to change your email ID on Facebook. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and tap on the three-barred menu that appears on the top right corner of your screen. Now go ahead, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Now tap on Account Center. Under Account Center, you'll be able to see the option of Personal Details. Tap on it. Tap on Contact Info. Now to change your contact info, you'll first have to add a new contact and then remove your old contact. So go ahead and tap on Add New Contact. Now under Add New Contact, if you're trying to add a new mobile number, tap on it. If you want to add a new email, tap on that. Now go ahead and enter your email address. Now select the account with which you'd like to associate this email with and tap on Next. After that, a confirmation code will be sent to the email that you've provided to Facebook. Now go ahead and check your Gmail. As you can see, Facebook has mailed me the confirmation code, so if I long press on it and tap on Copy and go ahead, switch to Facebook and paste it, tap on Next, my email will be added to my Facebook account. So for that, simply tap on Close. Now to remove your old email, you simply tap on the email that you'd like to remove or your old email. Under that email, you'll be able to see Delete Email option. So tap on it and tap on Delete. Now enter your Facebook's password. After that, tap on Continue and you'll get a pop-up that reads you've deleted your previous email. And this is how you can add, remove, or change your email ID on your Facebook account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.